Hello Meenakshi, how are you doing? So those who were there yesterday, you know that I shown one collection which is a bunch of flowers, but there were many who were not there yesterday. So I'll show you that collection once again, maybe at the end of this video. Today I'm going to show you another collection of ours, which is Happy Moment collection. It comes into set of 4 and they are glass bangles. It has 10 colors in it. So I'll show you all the colors one by one. First color we have is golden color in it. Next color we have is rhodium. Then we have orange color in this. We have peach pink also. We have sky blue in this. Then bottle green. Yellow color we have in this. We have sea green also. Grey color we have. Black color we have in this. And the last color we have in this is red. We also have our website, which is dishashi.com. You can visit our website to have a look to our entire range of bangles. We have all the lug and glass bangles available there. We have our Facebook page also and Instagram, where I am live right now. You can place your order on Instagram also by messaging us, and you can use a code which is DIS10. If you use this code, you will get additional 10% discount on the bangle, but that will only be applicable if you place your order on our Instagram page. So I'll show you the collection. We'll customize some sets for you, just to give you an idea how you can shop your bangles when you go our website. So I've asked my colleague to make some sets and show it to you. So one of the set is this. So we have taken Happy Moment bangles 4 here and then bunch of flower, which I presented yesterday. So you can club both the styles and make a set for yourself. Another option we have here is in orange, a color, a set of Happy Moment and again a bunch of flower. So that is how we have 16 colors in bunch of moment and then 11 colors in Happy Moment. So you can make your sets accordingly. Even this is just an example. You can also visit the website and you can pick and choose as per your requirements. We have a lot of colors available, lot of designs available. As far as sizes are concerned, we have 2, 4, 2, 6 and 2, 8 sizes are readily available with us, but we can always provide sizes as per your wrist. If your wrist is small, we can arrange 2 also. If it is big, then we can arrange 210 also, but that may take little time. So I'll show you another set which we have made with Happy Moment also, adding 2 colors of it. See, look at the grace of these bangles. This is a combination of red and yellow, Happy Moment glass bangles. You can always order them directly on our Instagram page. The price of these bangle is 450 rupees for 4 bangles for happy moment, and 465 rupees for bunch of flower set of 4 lark bangles. So you can add lark bangles with glass bangles. You can make set of only lark bangles. You can make set of only glass bangle also. Yes, we have green color in this. If you want, you can go and place an order on our website. So this is a green color. So for example, I'll show you something. You can make a set like this. I'll show you some more options for the sets to be made. This is a combination of sky blue and rhodium. So if you add 2 colors in your set, it costs you around 900 rupees. Plus if you use that discount code, which is DIS10, you get additional 10% discount on it. Thank you so much, Meenakshi. We would love to bring more colors and more vibrance in the life of everyone. We'll keep working on it. Meanwhile, I'm talking to you. I'll ask my colleague to prepare more sets and show you how it looks. See, this is how it looks on your wrist. Another color will show you. So I'll try to make one set myself. I hope you will like this. See this. This is a combination of flower bunch and happy moment. So guys, we have a lot of designs and lot of colors available with us. It is just that you need to visit our website, which is dishashi.com, and browse there, and if you like something, place your orders. We'll make sure we deliver as soon as possible. I hope you liked the videos and the colors. So last combination I'll show you, which is sky blue, a combination of happy moment and flower of bunch. So if you like this, please visit our website, place your order. You can place your orders on our Instagram page also. If you place your order, I'm reiterating, if you place your order on our Instagram page, use coupon code, which is DIS10. You will get eligible for 10% extra discount. And we do not charge anything for shipping. Shipping is free all over India. So you can place your orders without second thought. Thank you so much for being live during this session. Tomorrow at same time, 5 o'clock, I'll come up with some more designs which I'll try to explain about, and then I'll try to show you a lot of designs. Then we have a lot of designs in metal also, which slowly and gradually I'll start showing. So right now I'm focusing on lark and glass bangles. I hope you like this session. I'll be live tomorrow 5 o'clock again. Till then, thank you so much, and bye, and best of luck to all. Thank you.